Whether it's for a big party or just a midweek snack, my roasted baba ganoush is always a good way to go. Let me show you how I do it. I'm using 1 large eggplant, a whole clove of garlic, and also I like to add a red pepper to this, some fresh lemons, tahini, some spices and olive oil, all bring it together. Okay, let's show you how to do it. Okay, I have the oven preheated to 400 degrees, and on a sheet pan I'm just going to place our pepper. I'm going to take our eggplant and just slice it lengthwise, and then put the flesh side down on our pan. And for our clove of garlic, I'm going to just lop off the tops to expose most of those cloves, peel back a couple of these skins here, and then just take a little bit of tin foil, aluminum foil, and then a little olive oil, salt and pepper over everything. Over our garlic, peppers, some new little toys over the holidays, some automatic grinders for salt and pepper. Woo. All right, I'm just gonna take our foil and fold that up to let the garlic steam a little bit more. Okay, about 40 minutes for all of our veg, and in the meantime we can get our baba together with the rest of the ingredients like the tahini and some of the spices and lemon juice. We'll add in the juice of 2 lemons. To our lemon juice, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of tahini. This is that sesame paste that is essential to baba as well as hummus. And then at this point, I just like to add just a pinch of cumin, not very much. And let that all start to meld together. Okay, it's been just about 40 minutes for our veg. I'm gonna let them cool here on the sheet pan just so I can handle them. But specifically for our roasted red pepper, I'm gonna pick it up off of the pan gently, transfer it to a bowl that I have a little lid for. And this will allow it to steam so that I can actually take the skin of the pepper off very easily. So over to that tahini and lemon juice mixture, we're going to scrape in our eggplant, and I just use a regular fork to loosen and break it up a little bit. Just getting all the flesh, leaving that skin behind. I think that's looking pretty good. And now to our roasted garlic. Throwing in as many cloves as you like. I like it pretty garlicky. What's happened now is it's all roasted up and gotten nicely sweet. And it's actually quite mellow compared to making it with raw garlic. And then just with the tines of the fork again, we'll just mash that garlic a little bit to the side of the bowl. All right, looks lovely. So there's our skin and our seeds, all of that stuff that we don't want. Again, leaving it kind of chunky, just like we left our eggplant, and put it right in. Oh, love that consistency, love that red pepper color. Smells terrific, that roasted garlic, that roasted pepper. Now to top it off, you could do a drizzle of olive oil, but since we have a little bit of that smokiness going on, I like to top it with some smoked paprika. I think it gives it a nice look and adds a little bit more of a dimension. I also like to serve it with flatbreads or any kind of veg that you like. I hope you try making your own homemade baba for yourself, for your friends, for a party, and I hope you enjoy. So good.